Welcome to 2600 Orchard Lane. It's a custom-built home that's situated on a private 1.53-acre lot. As you step inside, you're welcomed by a spacious family room with a cozy fireplace, while the formal living room just off the foyer could easily become the perfect home office. The main level also features a spacious primary bedroom, convenient main level laundry, beautiful hardwood floorings, and fresh paint throughout. Just off the family room is a screened-in porch overlooking the expansive backyard, the perfect place to relax and enjoy the outdoors. Upstairs, you'll find 3 generously sized bedrooms, including 2 connected by a Jack and Jill bathroom. Downstairs, the finished basement gives you even more living space with a second family room, a second fireplace, a bathroom, and access to a spacious 2-car garage with plenty of room for a workshop area. Outside, there's no shortage of storage, with a large RV carport, a storage shed, and also a sprinkler system for the yard. With 4 bedrooms, 2 fireplaces, multiple living spaces, incredible outdoor space, and an impressive 1.53-acre lot, this home has so much to offer. Come take a look and see everything this West End Jefferson City has waiting for you.